In this video, I'll show you how to add dot leaders in Word, quick and to the point. If your text or table of contents needs dotted leaders, here's how to do it. Don't do it by pressing dot one by one. Instead, place the cursor where you want the leader or select the paragraph. Go to the Home tab and click the small arrow in the paragraph group to open Paragraph Settings. Click Tabs at the bottom left of the paragraph dialog. In tab stop position, type the horizontal position, for example, 6.5 inches, or a number that fits your layout. Under Alignment, choose Right. Under Leader, choose the dotted option. Click Set, then OK. Place the cursor and press Tab to insert the dot leader to the tab stop. That's it, dot leaders added. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick, helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.